So this is the current situationing right now. On my wall, on my Facebook, in YouTube or in TikTok, a lot of Americans, even the president himself, President Donald Trump, tweeted that they are not happy about the smoke coming from Canada and they want to sue also Canada. They are so mad, like literally mad from the smoke that is coming from Canada. This is the thing. Is it Canada who will dictate to the wind that wind, you need to go to that side? Wind, stay in Canada because the smoke cannot go to the USA. It's not right. You cannot dictate the wind where it is coming, either to the west, to the south, to the north, or to the east. We cannot dictate it. Now, right now, where am I sitting? The sky is clear and blue because the wind is coming from this side, so it passed through, right? So my opinion is this: it is not Canada or the people of Canada or the Prime Minister of Canada to dictate where is the wind coming. If it goes to Detroit, wherein I've seen a lot of people are complaining, they're not happy about it and they want to sue Canada so bad for the smoke. This is the thing. We cannot dictate the wind. I hate to say this, but maybe it's God's way to tell you to send that smoke going to America so that the Americans will wake up, especially President Donald Trump, that have some gratitude, have some sense that these people, this Canada helped you when you have a wildfire in California last year. Now it's your turn. Maybe it's God's way to wake you up, right? That is my opinion on that. So if you are not happy about this, then call out your president to help us to send troops over here in Canada. We are praying for rain. People of Canada are praying. We are in unity to pray for the rain. And some also commented that blame God. Huh? Why do you have to blame God? It's a natural disaster. It's a natural calamity. Maybe we can help out one another by telling to the management or to the higher authorities to send troops to Canada and help, right? And I'm calling out also for other countries that Canada has been so generous, nearby countries, to help also and send firefighters because Canada is always giving a helping hand. Canada is so generous. In fact, I've seen that some of my clients, the people, the seniors, are expressing their disappointment about Canada being so generous that always helping. Now, Canada is the one in need. Nowhere to be found. Canada is on its own. And it's sad, right? Some firefighters risk their lives to help USA. Risk their lives to put out this fire and extinguish it. But it just so happened that it's a natural disaster. So, Americans, please understand this. Please understand this. Don't be mad to Canada. This is not fair, okay? I want to remind you, Canada helped you once. Okay?